We're using the Creative Grids Quick Trim and Circle Ruler, which has all sorts of lines on it. The first thing we're going to use it for is to straighten the edge. And because of all my lines on it, I can line it up, cut my straight edge. And because I want my triangles to be a 2.5 inch half square triangle, I'm going to cut a 2.5 inch strip. And I can do that again with my ruler because this is marked at 2.5. So we're going to cut a 2.5 inch strip. Move this piece over because we're not going to use that one. But I want you to be able to see the lines on here. You can see these white lines that are at an angle. Those are my 45-degree angles, which I will be using to cut my triangles. And it's where it crosses over here, you've got the two lines that cross. That is your point that you're lining up on the edge of your strip. So I'm going to turn my strip. I'm going to take that little L-shaped and put it with the white edge, the white line on the edge of my fabric, and the top white edge on the top of the fabric. And I'm going to make my first cut. Just like that. Then I can take this one off, and I've got my first half square triangle, half square. Now I'm going to take the ruler and just rotate it so that I can line up this 45-degree angle. There again, I want this corner piece to be right at my tip there. Line it all up. If this is at the 1/2 inch mark, because it's a 2.5, I'm on the right place. I'm going to cut a straight one. Then I have number 2, and I continue across the strip with my ruler rotating each time. Now I can double up my fabric. I can be cutting 2 at once, 2 or 3, depending on how thick it is. And I'm just going to continue across, and that's how easy it is. I have my 2 triangles that I've cut. You'll notice that one end is pointed like a triangle, one end is clipped off. This is the part that's going to help you sew them easily. I'm going to take my 2, put them right sides together, match up the clipped end, and then I'm going to sew a 1/4 inch seam down this side. And you can see that done on this one. Here it is, sewn with a 1/4 inch seam. When I'm done, I'm going to press it. And when I'm done, after I've pressed it, I have this little ear hanging off here, and I'm just going to clip that off with my scissors. Clip, and my perfectly made half square triangle.